Hello everyone. So this is our next practical related with the AC machine. The title of this experiment is control the speed of given three-phase induction motor using the methods auto transformer method and variable frequency method. So through this experiment we are going to control the speed of given three-phase induction motor. There are two methods they have mentioned, auto transformer method and variable frequency method. So out of these two we are taking only one method for our demonstration. So auto transformer methods. Okay. So as we know that the speed of induction motor is we have relation of n is equals to ns into bracket 1 minus s. That means by changing the voltage ns equals to 120f upon p, we can change the voltage of the induction motor, three-phase induction motor. So for that purpose, I have selected this. This is nothing but a circuit diagram. I have selected one diagram for this. So this we are using a three-phase here. We have the three-phase induction motor, and I have connected one three-phase auto transformer in the stator side. Okay. So this is nothing but a three-phase auto transformer. It is connected in between the supply end as well as in the stator terminals. Okay, so as we know that we are using auto transformer as a starter. So here we are using we are for this experiment we are going to use the auto transformer for speed control of three-phase induction motor. So here this is auto transformer. Basically, as we know that the name is auto transformer. That means according to the according to the required output voltage, we can change its voltages. And as we know that the speed of any induction motor is basically depends on the voltage. Okay, जितकं व्होल्टेज तुम्ही देशील तितकं म्हणजे स्पीड जास्त असणार किंवा जितकं व्होल्टेज कमी असतं तितकं व्होल्टेज स्पीड तुमचं कमी असतं. दॅट मीन्स देयर इज अ डायरेक्ट रिलेशन बिटवीन द व्होल्टेज अँड द स्पीड. Okay, so this principle as I know, so I'm using the auto transformer to control the voltage. Now if I control the voltage, obviously my speed going to control. Okay, so this is nothing but circuit diagram. So as per the observation table, as per the resources, as I required the slippery induction motor, three phase, this auto transformer, frequency meter, tachometer, etc. Now here this is nothing but this auto transformation method of speed control. Okay, so this is nothing but an observation table for this experiment. Supply voltage to the stator of induction motor and speed in rpm. Just that means what, just auto transformer, by varying auto transformer we can obtain the voltage as per we can get the speed. If as we know that we are using auto transformer for starting purpose or as a starter, so by we can control the speed, we can control the input voltage of the three-phase induction motor so that we can control the speed. Okay, so let's see in the practical sessions, and now we can you can write the results which increases speed. That means you can complete all these things. Okay, so we will see about the practical session of this experiment. So this is the next experiment related with the three-phase squirrel cage induction motor. Now by using the three-phase squirrel cage induction motor, we are going to check the speed control. Okay, so speed control test we are performing on the three-phase squirrel cage induction motor. So basically there are two methods. First is nothing but by auto transformer method, and second one by using the VY, that is the variable frequency method. Okay, so instead of performing these two methods, we are going to perform only one method which is related with the auto transformer method. Okay, so as we seen in the theory part, so by using the auto transformer we can change the input voltage of the stator side of induction motor. Now as we know that the synchronous speed is simply called the actual speed of or the speed of any type of motor, it depends on the voltage or incoming voltage. So I have the setup for this experiment. So I am connecting the three-phase auto transformer here, three-phase auto transformer here. Now by using that three-phase auto transformer, I will control the speed of induction motor. Okay, so once as I know that auto transformer is used to vary the input voltage according to the output. So by varying the input voltage, I can adjust. I can control. That means I can set the any value of the speed. Okay. So by using this starter, auto transformer, I am going to start our motors. Now I have connected one multimeter across R and Y phase. Okay. So basically, I'm going to start the machines. So initially I have given 187 volt. Okay, so my rating of voltage rating of motor is about 415 volt. 415 volt माझं rating आहे. But आता मी काय केले, by using that auto transformer मी काय केले इथं, by using हा vary करून मी जवळपास आता 180 volt मिळतं, 180 volt मी सप्लायला दिलेलं आहे. Okay, so here now I will measure
I will measure the speed I will measure the speed by using the tachometer. So I have got about the 1200 RPM. Okay. So near about I will get the 1200 RPM speed जेव्हा 180 व्होल्ट असेल. ओके, म्हणजे 180 व्होल्टला मी काय केलं, 180 व्होल्ट दिली, इथं 180 व्होल्ट दिले, मी स्पीड मेजर केले. ओके, परत तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, बाय वायरिंग दिस ऑटो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर, तुम्हाला फक्त काय करायचं आहे, बाय ऑटो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर व्हॅरी करायचं आहे, सो दॅट यू कॅन गेट द रिडिंग. दॅट मीन्स आता मी परत मागाशी 180 व्होल्ट होतं, ना हा गिवन 230 व्होल्ट. ओके, सिमिलरली आय विल मेजर इट स्पीड. परत मी काय करा, ऑटो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर व्हॅरी करणार, ना आता आय एम गिवन नियर अबाउट 270 व्होल्ट. ओके, 270 व्होल्ट दिले, परत स्पीड मेजर करायचं. ओके, अकॉर्डिंगली शूड टेक 5 to 6 रेडिंग. वी विल टेक द 5 to 6 रेडिंग. म्हणजे सिम्पली काय सांगितलं, ऑटो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर मी इथलं ऑटो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर मी काय करतोय, इथं वायरिंग मी व्हॅरी करतोय, इथलं व्होल्टेज मध्ये चेंज व्हायला लागले, आणि जो काय व्होल्टेज येईल त्या अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट आय विल चेक इट्स स्पीड. ओके, सो वी विल कंडक्ट 5 to 6 reading related with that practical.